What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now I have a question for you. Have you ever been working with a certain type of acrylic pour style and you've been having a really hard time getting it right to the point you're getting so frustrated you're about to just give up? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a very easy and beautiful style of acrylic pour that anybody can do. Let's get into it. It's been brought to my attention that I do a lot of techniques that are not too easy for beginners. So I came up with this because it's something that I do with my family. Whenever, I'm painting, the children want to paint too, and it's great. This is a really easy technique that anybody can do. So all I did was mix colors. Now this will work with the glue medium, the Floetrol medium, or my bloom medium. It'll work with anything. So I have a very light violet. It's actually the same color as this with a little bit of white, dioxazine purple, and that champagne color from this little piggy. So those are the colors we're using today. And this is going to be a very fast video because this style of pour is very simple. So I am using house paint. You can use acrylic paint as your base, but I have house paint here, and these colors were mixed with my bloom medium. So in the interest of keeping everything the same consistency so it doesn't crack, I'm going to use house paint. So how's everybody doing this wonderful day? I want to say a big thank you to those of you that are already channel members. On the 13th of September, we have a members only live stream coming up, and it's going to be awesome. But yes. Let's do this. I want to show you how silly simple this is. All right. So I'll just take the colors, right? And, we just have fun. We just splash the color around. I'm not interested in getting a complete coverage of that base color because I do want some white, because that'll help with some contrast. As you see, there's no rhyme or reason to how I'm putting out the colors, really. We're just having fun with it. And this activity is awesome. It's a lot of fun when you want to do a family thing, or get kids involved, or if you just want to create something stunning on your own and you possibly, like me, have really no specific artistic abilities, because I don't. I'm not even going to try to lie to you guys. I don't have that much artistic ability. Promise. But this technique is super easy, super simple, and it creates nice, stunning results. All right, and now I'm going to take one last bit of color, right? I'm going to get some white out of this can. And we're just going to drizzle it on the top. It provides just enough contrast. And that's what we're going for. All right. So, nothing more simple than what I'm about to show you. All right. My finger. And I'm just going to have fun with it again. Just draw in it. Now, when you do this, you kind of want to try to get a lot of these stripes going through the center, because when you stretch it, that's what you're going to see. All right, and that's it. Literally, that is it. Y'all ready? Let me try to recenter it just a little. And the spin. This style is just so much fun. It provides a ton of contrast and it ends up gorgeous. I love it. The kids love it. I love it. And it creates really cool designs, really cool effects. So You've seen it here. It's super easy, super simple. Anybody can do this. You can do this. I know you can. So let me get you guys down here so you can actually check this thing out. It's kind of blending in right now, so I'm going to pull it off this turntable so you can get a good look at just the painting. Look at this thing. Now with that small amount of white and those beautiful purples, it provides so much contrast. It's a very easy technique, simple to replicate, and the results are gorgeous. If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.